Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix your Spotify shuffle not working. So most people, they don't see the shuffle play button over here in Spotify. So basically the shuffle play button has been removed from this section. So if you want to see the shuffle play button, what you need to do is go back from the section. Once you go back from the section, you need to enter a playlist because shuffle play is only available in a playlist. Once you're inside a playlist, you can see the two arrow pointing at the right side. You want to click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to turn green. Once it turns green, that basically means you have turned on your Spotify shuffle play. It's only available at the outside of playlist. Now I can play the song in this playlist and it's going to choose random songs to play. That is how you guys can fix your shuffle play not working. But let's say even though you turned on your shuffle play and it's still not working. In that case, just delete your Spotify and reinstall it again. Because most of the time this problem is caused by a bug. So when you delete your Spotify and reinstall it again, you will be downloading the latest version of Spotify, which is going to have the bug fixed option. Once you do that, your problem should be fixed. So I hope you understand how you guys could fix your Spotify shuffle not working. Hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.